Here I have a SURECOM 3238, which I'll be showing you how to set it up. And I also bought a tripod to hold it up high.
呢個位咧一推，佢就可以擘大㗎啦隻腳。
There are two ways to power this product. You can either use a Type-C cable or simply 4 AA batteries. The package also comes with screws and an adhesive wall mount.
咁就開始咧就可以進行。
On the main screen, the number on the bottom right corner is the room temperature. On the bottom left, we have the 30 recent temperature measured. If you're using it on batteries, there will also be a power indicator on the top right corner. There are a total of 7 functions. The first one is the unit selection. You choose from Celsius and Fahrenheit. Function 2, you can choose between different measurement modes. Body mode for body temperature, count mode for counting individuals, and surface mode for surface temperature. Function 3, you can modify the temperature that would set off the alarm. Function 4, you can either increase or decrease the product's volume. If you want to disable the sound completely, decrease the volume until the volume indicator disappears. Function 5, turning on or off the display lighting. Function 6, choosing between Mandarin or English voiceover. And finally, function 7. This function needs to be used with a computer. We do not recommend using this function unless you know exactly what you're doing.
直桿嘅螺絲，呢一個螺絲放落去，呢一個螺絲，然後跟住咧就可以將佢向後拱，就可以閂埋㗎啦。